Sales page copywriting that converts. Hi, I'm Cecilia, Elise Wallin, and I have tested a lot of sales pages and different kinds of copywriting. I have A/B tested a lot, and I have finally found a perfect formula for writing a sales page, and I have made a template from what I have learned, a template of perfect copywriting, especially for service providers and info product sellers. And you can learn from just watching this video and copying what I'm saying in this video. If you want to take a really fast track, you can go to my website store, ceciliaelise.com, and here you can get the template I'm showing you in this video. Now I'm going to give you an overview first. It's an 18-page template and it looks like this. And I'll also show you what it looks like on a mobile phone. I will put a free link to a preview below this video so that you can scroll through this sales page template. And now I'm going to go through and explain the different parts of this sales page template. So first here, we start the first page with introducing the desired outcome. What does your customer want to achieve? And it's important that you mention how you and your company can help your customer achieve their goal. And it's also important that you include a lot of links to check out on your sales page. And here on this template you can just drag and drop different images in Canva. And it's important that you state briefly here what's included. What are the most important things that are included in your product? And here on the next page we have a fill in the blank text. I know that here you write how and what your customer wants to achieve and what she or he has to do to achieve his or her goal. And here you write about the problem and how the problem makes your customer feel. And then you state that you believe that it shouldn't be that way and that what your customer wants to achieve should be fun and exciting. And here we have an example of how I have written this paragraph on my page. And on the next page you show your empathy for your customer, that it shouldn't be difficult for your customer. It isn't fair that it is difficult, and that is why you will help your customer to achieve his or her goals easily with the help of your awesome product. And on the next page you write that with the products from your business, your customer will easily achieve his or her desired outcome. And you also ask them to imagine how they will feel when they easily can achieve their desired outcome with the help of your product. And on the next page you describe in detail what the customer will get when they buy your product. And here, be as detailed as possible. Describe everything that's included in your product and also the bonuses. Describe the bonuses in detail as well, and also why this product is perfect for your customer. And on this page you briefly again state how your product or products will help your customer achieve his or her goals. And here you ask them to get your product before the price goes up. And it's also good to have a lot of images of yourself on the sales page and also contact information. And here you describe what the customer will learn or gain from buying your product. And on this page you can insert a quote of your choice, a quote from yourself or from a famous philosopher or from anyone. And let's start today. Today is a word which I have found is really, really useful in copywriting. And here you explain again how your products are solutions to their problems. Let's start reaching your goals now. And here you explain further how your products are solutions to their problems. Enjoy the journey to your success. We all want to go on interesting and great journeys and achieve our goals, don't we? And here you can write your unique selling propositions. And here we have another page, and here you can write about courses if you have courses, or if you have other products you can write more about them and link to them here. And this is the last page in this 18-page sales page template. And it's important that you include a lot of links to your checkout and a lot of buttons people can click on to get to your checkout. So that's how you can write sales page copy that really converts. And you can just look at the preview link below this video and copy what I have written here. Or if you want to make it really easy for you, you can head over to my website store ceciliaelise.com and you can buy this template for only $7.